And we're back to learning Inkscape in year day 88. Let me show the text and font menu. We use the text tool here. Left click on the canvas, type something in, and our control when I size it up. And under text, the first option is the text and font menu. You can make that here a bit bigger. And then you can see on the left hand, we have the font family, and on the right, the font style. So all of the inbuilt fonts are shown right there. You can select them, and in the preview window down below, you can see what it looks like. And if you like it, you can use apply. Same for the style and also the font size. So you can use that to size it down or up. What's interesting here is the collections option, because it allows you to sort your fonts a little bit better. If you click on it, by default, you have the document fonts and recently used fonts. So that should be inbuilt in Inkscape. But when you open the collections editor, you can create your own collections, which is then basically a folder of fonts. Let us do that. So I left click here, then I use the plus sign to create a new collection. Let me call that tutorial collection. I confirm via enter, and then let's say we like Algerian. I drag and drop it into the folder. You can edit it if you want to, or delete it up there. Let me add also BLMT and maybe Big John. And if we check our text and font menu now, you can see the tutorial collection is already available. There are the last used fonts and also Algerian, BLMT and Big John. So sometimes that comes in handy when you want to quickly find the fonts that you usually use. When you click on the trash can, you're going to delete them from the folder, and with the trash can for the folder, you can delete the entire thing. There's also a features and a text option at the top. That's just a minor detail thing. You can use the features to check what your font has. So for example, here, the position, subscript and superscript, we don't have that. We just have a normal text, the capitals, the ligatures, but that's only detail information. You can't really change it here. And the text is just another text box where you can add more text or adjust your text. So let me call that example 4 text. Then I confirm via apply, and then you can see it on the canvas. Once again, the most important part here is the font option and the collections folder. And we also have a set as default. So if you like a certain font and you want to make it the default, you can do it right here. And this I can use the text and font menu in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.